Here we'll write a Python program to print Armstrong number between given range. So first in comment line we'll write Armstrong number is the number whose sum of digit cube is equal to that number. For example, if you give 153, then 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to the number 150. Here we are going to print the numbers between the given range. So we'll accept two numbers from the user. So n1 equal to int input enter first number and n2 equal to int input enter second number. Then we'll use while loop while n1 less than or equal to n2, since we are going to print the numbers between this range. Then we'll define one integer variable temp which is initialized with n1, that is first number, and we'll define one number total which is initialized with 0. And we'll use another while loop while temp not equal to 0, and here first we'll separate out the digit. So d equal to temp mod 10, which is separate the last digit from the number, and we'll find total. So total equal to total plus d into d, that is d cube, and we'll remove last digit from the number as temp equal to temp floor division 10. And outside the while loop we will check if total equal to n1, we will print n1, and then we will increase n1. So n1 equal to n1 plus 1, and we execute it. I'll give first number as 100, second number as 200. It will print 153. That is Armstrong number between 100 to 200 is 153. So here first we have accepted two numbers n1 and n2 from the user, which is a range. Then we'll use while loop. So while n1 less than or equal to n2, we will define one integer variable temp in which we will store the first number n1, and we will define one integer variable total which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while temp not equal to 0, first we will separate out last digit from the number with mod 10, and we will add cube of this digit to total, and we will remove last digit from the number as temp equal to temp floor division 10. And outside the while loop we will check if total equal to n1, we will print n1 since it is an Armstrong number.